Greetings from the Rescue Ranch. I hope everyone's in the holiday mood. It's been a while since we've had a Utopia Animal Rescue Ranch update, and little Debbie and I are here to update you. Thanks to our dear friend Jerry Olert, the videographer that's doing this video. We've still got a lot of great dogs out here that need a great home. You can check us out at utopiarescue.com, and you can also make a donation if you feel like it. Our phone number is 830-589-7544. Kinky, Tony, and little Debbie and I, and all of our dogs at the Utopia Animal Rescue Ranch want to wish everyone a happy Hanukkah, a Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year. Come out and meet little Debbie.